In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit in CapCut Basic Tutorial. Go to your desktop and click CapCut to open it. On the home screen, choose New Project. This is where you bring in the videos and photos you want to edit. Select the files you need and confirm. CapCut will place them on a timeline in the order you chose, where you can see and control the flow of your edit from start to finish. Begin by trimming and cutting your clips. Click a clip in the timeline to select it. To shorten or extend, drag the ends of the clip inward or outward until the start and end points feel right. If you need to remove a specific moment, move the playhead to that exact spot and use split. This cuts the clip into pieces so you can delete the unwanted section and keep what matters. Play your sequence to make sure each cut feels smooth and intentional. Next, add transitions to create seamless movement between clips. Click the small white box that appears between two clips. This opens the transition library where you can pick from options like basic fades, camera moves, or dissolves. After choosing a style, adjust the duration so it feels natural. Shorter for punchy edits, slightly longer for gentle scene changes. Consistency helps your video feel cohesive. For titles or subtitles, open the text panel and select Add Text. Type your title, captions, or labels, then customize the look. Choose a clear font, pick colors that contrast with your video, and add a stroke or shadow if you need extra readability. You can animate text in and out for a polished touch. Drag the text layer's edges on the timeline to control how long it stays on screen and position it away from important visuals. To enhance the mood, go to Effects. Video effects apply across the clip or track, while body effects target people in the frame. Preview a few, pick one that supports your story, and adjust intensity so it complements rather than distracts. If you want the effect to cover more of your edit, expand it to fit the necessary duration. Add music and sound effects by tapping Audio. Browse sounds or music, or use Extract to pull audio from another video. Drop the track onto the timeline, trim it to fit, and lower the volume to keep dialogue clear. Consider a short fade in and fade out for a clean start and finish. When you're happy, tap Export in the upper right corner, choose 1080p for crisp quality, and set the frame rate to 30 FPS for general videos or 60 FPS for smoother motion. Tap Export again to save your finished edit.